Where you at? What are you doing hiding in the shade, huh? Pretty bird. Pretty bird, what are you doing? Rockin' Robin. Pretty bird. What are you doing, baby? Yeah, you get you some footage. Get you some, for 5 minutes of fame. Can we do that? You wanna do 5 minutes? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. What you doing, baby? You know, Jesus is coming back soon. Yeah, Jesus. He'll be back soon. Where you go, baby? Where you going? Where you going, baby?
Nothing. I was supposed to do the Easter egg hunt that they would have over here, but they didn't announce that they were going to start. So